Homie, stop burping on my clitoris, homie! Homie, stop burping all over my clitoris, please!
That's not what she sounds like at all.
Marge, you fucking stupid slut bitch.
Homie, that's not a way to talk to your wife.
I'm married to Barney now, bitch. Get the fuck out of here.
That's fucking great.
Yeah,
Homie,
we're getting married.
We're getting gay married.
From home.
I just want you to stop burping on my clit. That's all I want. You don't have to leave. What about the family?
Do, bitch.
What about the kids, homie? What about the family?
Fuck you, Marge.
I shot them earlier, Marge. They're dead.
What?
Santa's little helper helped me eat the kids. I shot the kids and Santa's little helper ate them.
I ate
Eat 'em
Maggie and I
alive.
fucked Bart and Lisa to death.